this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I just want to thank you so much for all of your patience over the last 2 or 3 videos. We bought a new mic, woo, see? And the last couple videos I thought I was talking into the mic, and I looked up after the videos were done, and it seems like I never plugged the mic in. And so down below I had several people say, there's something wrong with your audio. Well, that's probably because the phone was far away and because I thought I was talking directly into the mic, and I really was, but the mic wasn't plugged in. Then when the heater kicks on, it causes interference because the phone is closer to the heater than it is to me, and so when the space heater kicks on, then you get static. So I just want to say thank you so much for your patience and for letting me know if things were going awry. I really appreciate that, but then that's kind of the explanation. So it's been a little while since I've done an unboxing from AliExpress. I have 2 packages here. I believe they're from different stores. I bought them from the 11/11 sale, but I thought I'd open them on the same video. So we didn't have 2 really short videos. We just had 1 moderately short video. So this one, if what it says is correct, is from the Shiny Home store. And if you've been a subscriber for any amount of time, you know that I love stickers. And so these were on sale. So I bought 2 sets of them because I'm going to give 1 away. This company doesn't do the boxes flat like the company I normally purchase from, so that's why the boxes are a little bent up. And what I got, and I've gotten these before, are little cacti. Aren't those adorable? And they're stickers. Now, I'm not a fan of that they fold it right on the sticker, but I do know once you get the diamonds on that we're good to go. So you get 6 in a pack. This company gives you a single placer, a boat without a funnel, and a little piece of wax, and it says peel off. One time I did try to stick on the wax before peeling off the sticky. It has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different colors, and they don't label them with DMC, they just label them with F, G, all the letters and the numbers. So we have 3, K, 6, 7, 8, B as in boy, C, F, G, L. I'm not a big fan when they do like 8 and B, but you're looking at a yellow and a green, so you should be able to tell. Also on the sticker, instead of having a code, they have the actual, like F goes with F and G goes with G. And the background color matches similar to the color in the bag, so you're golden. So with the 8s, the background is a yellow. With the B, the background is a green, so you should be able to tell the difference. These symbols are very, very clear. Now I had to unplug the light above my camera, so this is a very dark video. I apologize, because the light was in that flashy mode and it could have caused us seizures. And if it was doing that to me, I did not want to do that to you guys. So this is 1 pack. You got 6. And this pack of stickers was $1.69 for 6 of them. So I got 2, so I could maybe do 1 as a giveaway, or sometimes, I don't know, I'm a hoarder. If I do 1 here, I feel like I have to have a backup, so maybe I have a backup. So that was from AliExpress. I ordered it on November 11th, and I received it, let's see, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, November, what was Monday? 24th, maybe? Monday, November 24th. So that is 13 days. Not bad from China. Oops, I forgot to put the tool bag in here. What's nice is every diamond kit that you get, you'll get a tool kit. And for us that do diamond paintings all the time, sometimes it's frustrating because you end up with a whole stack. But like, if you were to see over here, I'm doing one with 30 colors and I have different trays. When I get to the end where I only have like 2 little sections, sometimes I'm like, screw putting it back in the container, and I just keep it out and stick the container in the tray so I can get it done faster. Alright, so this bag, I have no idea what's in it. I'm doing it off screen because they put my address on both sides, and I was too lazy to try to cover it up when I knew I could just cut it. Ah, guys. Ooh, I'm super excited about this one. Okay, so I know I've taken this diabetic turtle thing a little too far with my Santa turtle cup. Super excited. I'm going to do a Secret Santa reveal soon. But when I saw this, I was like, I've got to get it. So this is from AliExpress. I ordered it on November 7th before the AliExpress sale. I got it from Sweetly Storage Market Drop Shipping Store. Again, in the video, I'll put the links down below. Do be careful with AliExpress. If you're watching this video, you know, in the future from this Thanksgiving 2019 time period, many of these links may not work because they're constantly getting new inventory in and new inventory out. So I will put the links down below though. But I really like these journals. And so when I saw this one, it was $5.95. I had to get it. It's a turtle! So I thought it was super cute. I thought I could do that, you know, I don't know, in the car or this Christmas when my family's around. They gave me a single placer, a green boat with no funnel, and a small piece of wax. And then it does have special drills. Now for those of you who don't know about the journals, now this one, it's not lined inside. Some of the journals are lined, but that's okay. This one's a little bit more cheaply put together, which is probably why it was cheaper. But that's all right. Let's peel this off. The one thing is it is kind of sticky the whole way through, so I will most likely be sealing it. When you do seal, you do have to be careful on these books because they're bendable. If you bend the parts that you've sealed, it will crackle. So I might also, even though this is going to be a harder cover, I might reinforce the inside with some pretty cardstock and tape that in there just to kind of make it more firm. Who knows? You guys will see the post review when I'm done. And then it comes with rhinestones and special gems. There is no inventory sheet. And I wanted to show these to you. So what you see on the bag, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the actual symbols here, the numbers 1, 7, 5, 9, so on and so forth. So you've got red circles, orange circles, pearl-like circles. And you've got this pretty, I don't know what shape that is, but that's green. You've got green rhinestones. You've got this light orange rhinestone. This blue is really pretty. Then this is kind of a darker orange. And then this is like a amber, it's not yellow, but it's like an amber color. So I just thought this would be a fun side project to sit on the couch or be in the car while I did it. Or my family's coming in for Christmas and I can't really hide in my craft area. Forgive the crinkle. I do like the crinkle though. So yeah, this is kind of a fun project, and I thought with the turtles, if you need the backstory of the diabetic turtle, basically my first live ever somebody came in and asked if turtles could be diabetic, and I thought he was serious. And it ended up being what we call a troll, which is somebody who comes and tries to cause trouble in your life. But I ended up getting him talking, and because it was my first live and he was my first troll, we just started going with diabetic turtles are my thing, right? I don't own a turtle. I don't have a turtle. I never have, but I just think they're kind of cute when they're cartoony. And so, yeah, I don't collect turtles, but I do have this fun turtle Christmas tree mug now, and now I have my turtle journal and my turtle tray. So it's just kind of fun to have a little niche. So yeah, it's kind of the inside joke of my channel. So yeah, so thank you everybody. Again, that was from Sweetly Storage Market Drop Shipping Store. I got it on I ordered it on November 7th. I got it also on Monday, the 24th. So that would be what? I'm horrible at math in my head. 7 minus 24 is 17 days for that. Anything under 21 days is good for me. So yeah, I just wanted to keep you posted, give you an update, and thank you so much for all that you do. If you like this video and want to see more, down low there's a subscribe button. Also give it a thumbs up. I'd love to know what you like, what you didn't like. And thank you so much for being part of the Diamond Addiction family. So this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.